Stress in cybersecurity is good for you. It heightens your and advances your minds, improves your skills, improves your social interpersonal skills, improves communication, improves understanding, intellect, intelligence, especially on calls or fast-paced environments. You learn how to become a better human. You just need to master your emotions using logic, being more rational. You can handle stress if you know how to master your emotions, aka not letting externalities affect your internalities. I would say that is absolutely true. Doing cybersecurity has definitely sharpened me as a human. It's given me a lot more confidence. Basically, I was thrust into positions where I had to be more confident. I can say that going all the way back, the first time I ever did any security, I was a security guard for the Air Force. I was in the Air Force, and my first job in security was a security guard. I did it for 5 years. I learned UCMJ, U.S. Code of Military Justice. I learned how to protect all kinds of assets, including nuclear weapons. I learned all kinds of weapons. I was proficient, not so much anymore, on several different weapons, rifles, M9s, all kinds of stuff. They forced you to have confidence. They would put you in a position where you would have to conduct a briefing one-on-one with a colonel or a general. And I was a one-striper. I was a 19-year-old kid. The thing is, sometimes there's things at stake. I was 19, 20 protecting the nuclear weapons. Like, I had to have my stuff together. And then they just train you and train you and train you. And in cybersecurity, you have to be multidisciplinary. Like, you have to know a little bit about networking, a little bit about firewalls, a little bit about IPS, IDS. And if you don't know it, you got to go learn it. Like, if you have to go talk to the physical security guys about a restricted area that has to have a camera pointed in this direction or that direction, you might have to get smart on that real quick. Okay, what kind of system do we have? Look it up. Deep dive into that, figure it out real quick, Google it, and then I got to go further. I'm like, okay, what policies do we have on this particular castle system? Then I got to say, okay, this organization, how are we implementing this? I got to learn it. And then I can talk to the subject matter experts. So it's like 2 hours of research just to talk to a dude for 10 minutes. Yeah, I would say that this statement here is true, where he's saying it heightens, advances the mind. And then, of course, emotionally, you got to be together because you've got to present this stuff in front of a C-level exec, a manager, a technical guy, the customer. You've got to be able to switch gears at a moment's notice and do that stuff. So yeah, it's difficult, but it definitely makes you stronger.